Let's be honest, navigating the AI landscape can feel like a full-time job. You need one model for code, another for images, and something else entirely for complex reasoning. Microsoft is trying to simplify that with their new MAI models. The MAI Suite isn't a single product, but a collection of Microsoft's internally developed AI models. They're designed to reduce reliance on third-party partners like OpenAI, covering everything from complex reasoning to voice generation. Think of them as the power behind many existing Microsoft tools. My workflow often starts in Microsoft Foundry, where I can tap into MAI Thinking, one's private preview for its impressive reasoning. For coding, MAI Code. One is seamless within GitHub Copilot, really speeding things up. And for quick visuals, MAI Image 2.5 is already baked into PowerPoint, which is a huge time saver for presentations. What really grabbed me was MAI Thinking, one's ability to handle massive documents, up to 600 pages, with its huge context window. MAI Code. One also surprised me by how much more efficient and accurate it felt compared to some competitors. Plus, having MAI Image 2.5 ready to go in PowerPoint means I don't have to jump between apps. Just last week, I threw a 500-page technical spec at MAI Thinking 1. It didn't just summarize. It broke down complex requirements and even drafted multi-step implementation plans. That kind of deep reasoning for long documents is a game changer. Now, about the price. It's not a single MAI Suite fee. These models are integrated into Microsoft's Copilot offerings. For consumers, Copilot Pro is $20 a month. But for businesses, it gets layered on top of existing M365 licenses, so the true all-in cost can range from $34 to $87 per user per month. I really loved the sheer scope of what's offered. Having top-tier reasoning, coding, and image AI all from one vendor is a huge convenience. The performance benchmarks are also genuinely impressive, showing Microsoft is serious about quality. It feels like a smart, long-term play for their AI strategy. Honestly, the biggest hurdle right now is availability. Many of the most exciting models, like MAI Thinking 1, are still in private preview, so you can't just jump in. Also, it's not a suite you buy, it's embedded into other services, which can be a bit confusing. And for anyone not already deep in Microsoft 365, the all-in cost can be a significant barrier. The MAI Suite includes MAI Thinking 1 for reasoning, MAI Image 2.5 for visuals, and MAI Code 1 for developers. There's also MAI Transcribe 1.5 for audio and MAI Voice 2 for text-to-speech capabilities. So, it's worth it if you're deeply invested in the Microsoft ecosystem and need high-performing, diverse AI capabilities. But skip it if you're looking for a simple, standalone AI tool, or if the layered pricing and current limited access are deal breakers for you. What are your thoughts?